Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making Tigernut drink. To make this, I've got some dry tiger nuts. I have here about 4 cups of dried tiger nuts. I've also selected them, so I'll go ahead now, wash it very well and soak them in water. Here, after washing it, I've added some water here. I'm going to soak it in this water for about 2 to 3 days. I'll be changing the water though, and I'll leave it in the fridge. This is after 2 days. I have the tiger nut well soft now. I'll go ahead and blend it. I cannot wait for 3 days. So I'll go ahead now, transfer it to my blender, add some other things. We are not using only the tiger nut. I'll be adding some bananas, coconut, and also ginger to this drink. You can also add dates to it, but because I'm using coconut and the banana, they are going to sweeten this tiger nut, so I'm not going to add dates again. But feel free to add dates if you want it so sweet, but it will be too sweet. So I've gone ahead now to peel the banana, crack the coconut and cut into tiny pieces. Also remove the skin of the ginger and cut into tiny pieces. I've removed the tiger nut from the water. I also rinsed it again about 2 times. So I'll go ahead now, add them into the blender and blend, but I'm not going to blend all at once. Remember, I told you that the tiger nut is 4 cups, and having soaked it for about 2 days, it has increased in size. So I'm going to blend this for about 2 to 3 batches. In batches, I'll blend it in batches. So let's blend them. This is not the only water I'm going to use to blend it. I'll add it more water as I blend. And I will continue to blend and squeeze out the milk until I'm done. And here we have our tiger nut, coconut, and the banana drink. In all, I used about 3 bottles of 75 cl chilled water to blend. And here is the chaff I got from it. My blender did a good job, but you can blend yours twice if it didn't blend well at first. And then we'll transfer our milk or drink into a bottle or jug. To serve this, I'm going to add some ice cubes into it. The ice block will also help to preserve it and save it from spoiling or souring. I also used cold water from the fridge in blending them. This drink is so delicious, refreshing, and relaxing. Please help me to give the video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed watching. Apart from making it for your family to drink, you can also make this drink for sale. Bottle it, freeze it, and sell. For those looking for a small business idea, this is a small business that you can start with little amounts of money. I think if you're in Nigeria with less than 10,000 naira, you can start this business. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.